In this video, we'll walk through adding a new customer. To get to your customer page, go to your Customer tab and click Customers. Click the green New Customer button, then click Enter New Customer. Once you're on the New Customer page, you can see fields to fill out, starting with the business name or full name and a contact name if it is different from the business name or full name. Next, add an email, and you can also add CC emails. And here you will add a phone number. You can add more phone numbers here. For this box, you want to add their billing address, including state, city, and zip code. For communication settings, click here, and you can choose how the customer wants to receive their invoices when you invoice this customer. These two are just for your reference. They don't affect how the system creates their invoice. You can choose how the customer prefers to receive communication. You can choose the default email for invoices and the default text for invoices, as well as the default text for estimates. It shows the ones that are already set to default for your account, but you're also able to change them to any other email templates or text templates. Next, you can choose whether to set up their property at the same time. You have the option to keep the service address the same as the billing address. If their service address matches their billing address, you can select this setting. Alternatively, you can add a different service address. This would be if they have a different location that you'll service besides their billing address. Or you can choose not to save a property yet and save the customer as a lead. In this case, the customer will be saved without a property, and you can add one later from their profile. We also have the option to add additional customer details, such as their customer number, if they are going to receive a discount, and when they became a customer. This is set by default when you add the customer, but it can be edited after the customer is saved. You can choose a customer type, indicate whether they're tax exempt, specify how they heard about you, and you can add a new source if it's not already on your list. If you need to add more information, you can switch back to our advanced setup. This provides more fields, such as title, first and last name. You can add more phone numbers, a fax number, and choose their invoice settings. These settings override what you have set in your main settings. You can set up a late fee for their invoices, which will override your main settings for late fees for this customer only. You can add custom fields for this customer and add tags to help organize your customers. You can add internal notes that only your team will see. You can override your main default notes for services, as well as the default terms for invoices. These changes will override what's in your main settings and will appear on all of their invoices. And finally, you can upload any images you want for this customer. When you're finished, click Save Customer. That's all there is to it for adding a customer manually to your LawnPro account.